face it. 1, 2, 3. Lift up the right hand. Left hand down, guys, and turn to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you keep the connection. Right hand over, that's her left hand, and she goes round. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to your armpit. 7, 8. Now turn the lady with both hands. 1, 2, 3. Interlock. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to wear the hands over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grab the lady's hip. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn the lady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.